Alright, since we are done with 5A, now we'll be trying to do 5B. In 5B, you'll see that the second question is about prepare a quotation for a customer's vehicle repair, where the vehicle parts cost $70 and the repair will take 7 hours to complete. As you can see, it's right over here. So we'll be trying to draw a quotation. Now drawing a quotation is also pretty simple. All you have to do is write a quotation over here. So you're going to have one column where we're going to be writing all the costs, and over here we're going to give the details. Alright, so don't forget to write details over here. So to do that particular job, which is a part of job costing, they told you that we need materials cost. We're going to write here material cost 70 pound. Right, sorry, I said dollar earlier, it's pound, 70 pound. Alright, and they need 7 hours to repair. Right, so Ahmed needs 7 hours to repair. So per hour cost for Ahmed, as we have already seen, is $20 per hour. We just found that out on 5A. We're gonna use this value to find out hourly charge for the particular job by Ahmed. So we're gonna be like hourly cost or labor cost, whatever it says, 20 into 7. It's gonna be 140. And when we add that up, we're gonna get 210. This is your cost of doing this particular job. Now the thing is, in order to do this job, while doing this job, Ahmed need to make some profit. And in the question, it clearly says that Ahmed makes a profit margin of 25%. Turn back, you'll see that when providing a quotation to customers, Ahmed worked on the basis of achieving a 25% profit margin as the total cost of the job, which means no matter which job he does, whatever the cost is, he makes a profit of 25%. So the profit, once, I'll keep this on blank now, you'll know later. And once we add the profit, we're gonna know the quotation price. Alright, so the information given here is margin 25%. Now the thing is, profit should be 25% of the sales. What do we know about margin? Margin basically means that profit divided by price or selling price into 100%, right? That is a margin. So the thing is, in this particular math, we neither know the profit because we have to find that one down. We neither know the price here, right? At what price the product will be charged, or what price Ahmed will be charging. So we know none of them. So margin is actually, or the value of profit margin is actually useless in this case. What we have to do, we have to change it. We need to change margin to markup. Alright, so why? I'll show you how and why. First of all, if remember the formula that if margin, these are rough, you don't have to do them, you have to show them in your exam paper. You have to do the rough here. Alright, so I'll make a line over here and I'm going to call this one rough. The thing is, margin, if value of margin is A by B, then markup will be A divided by B minus A. Remember, A by B will become A by B minus A. It means if margin is 25%, that is 25 by 100, then markup will be 25 by 100 minus 25. So the answer will then be 25 divided by 75, that is 1 by 3. So markup from the value given of the margin, we can now know the markup, which is 1 by 3. Now what is the formula for markup? Markup formula is pretty simple. Profit divided by cost is equals to markup, right? Is equals to markup, and as we have already found, markup is equals to 1 by 3. So now we can write that profit by cost is equals to 1 by 3. We have to find profit. Remember, if we look back, we need to find the profit from this particular quotation to find the price. So we don't know the profit, but we do know the cost, because we already know that the cost of doing this particular job is 210. So we can write profit, or that in short, P by 210 equals to 1 by 3. Now if we crisscross this, you will get that 210 is gonna be divided by 3, which is 70. Means to do this particular job, we're gonna make a profit of 70 pounds. Now add this profit over here, and by adding the profit the cost, we get the price of this particular job, which is 280. So this is the quotation where we first write all the material cost, then we write the hourly cost, we find the cost of doing the job, and then we try to find out the profit. This is the tough part. This is where most people can't solve. All you have to do is, in the question, margin is given. From margin, you're gonna convert margin to markup using this particular formula, that A by B is equals to A by B minus A. So we know if A margin is 25%, is 25 by 100, markup will be 25 by 100 minus 25, which is ultimately 1 by 3. Markup equals to 1 by 3. Markup formula is profit by cost is equals to markup equals to 1 by 3. So we can write profit equals to 1 by 3. Now put the value of the cost from the information over here, 210. Put 210 over here. So profit by 210 equals to 1 by 3. So profit will be 210 divided by 3 equals to 70. So that is your profit. Now add the profit to the cost, and you will get the price and the overall quotation for this particular job. This is all about Jan 8 5P. That will be all for me. Thank you all.